Check out this 14-piece cocktail shaker set I was sent from Mixology and Craft. And look how nice it is. This would make an excellent gift to give to a friend or family any time of year, birthdays, weddings, or the holidays too. And what's really nice is you're gonna feel like you are a mixologist yourself, whether you are a beginner, an amateur, or professional too. So let's open it up and check it out. This is such a fantastic set. It has it all, and you're gonna feel like a bartender in no time. So check it out. So here is the rust-proof 24-ounce cocktail shaker, and it has 3 pieces. And then after you're done shaking it, you can pour it out through these holes. You're gonna get 2 double-sided jiggers, and this one is 1/2 ounce and 1 ounce, and this one is 2/3 ounce and 1 1/3 ounce. You're gonna get 2 liquor pourers, and what's really nice about these is after you stick it in the bottle, it has this cap too, and then you can easily pour it out. And then once you're done, you can cap it so everything stays nice and clean. You're also gonna receive this mojito muddler, so you can make mojitos very easy. You're also going to receive this mixing spoon, and it is super long. You're also gonna receive 2 cocktail picks, perfect for your garnishments, whether it's olives, pineapples, oranges, or whatever else you want to put in. You're also going to be receiving this really nice stainless steel ice tongs. You're also going to receive this Hawthorne strainer, and that is so you can easily put it in your strainer and then strain your drink that way. You're also going to be receiving a beer bottle opener too, and you also receive this wine bottle opener. It's really nice because it also has this knife right here, so if the bottle has a cap, then you can cut it open very easily. And then right here, it has the corkscrew. So you can corkscrew it in, and then right here is a handy lever. And that way, it's a 2 lever action, and then you just lean it against the bottle, and then it pops up. And they've also included cocktail cards for old fashioned, mint julep, whiskey sour, dry martini, Bloody Mary, and so much more. Isn't this such a fantastic set? Perfect to give as a gift or for you to use yourself. I'm gonna feel like a bartender in no time. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful. Cheers!